Hey guys, welcome back to this channel and with a brand new name, SF Trading. First of all, if you are new into this channel, please like and subscribe this channel, share these videos to everyone. Okay, let's go. This video we are starting today about GBP pairs and we are actually using this indicator and not following any other things. Okay, so only following the indicator, how many pips can you make per 1 month? So let's actually just go and back test this indicator and I will show you how many pips we could have made on November and how many. So today is I think 29, right? So yeah, so let's go and see. I already did the math and how many pips we could have made it with this, just following the indicator. Okay, and the strategy. Okay, the main important thing is strategy here. So here you can see on November 2nd on the below of the screen here you can see the date. Okay, so on November 2nd we got minus 26 pips. Okay, according to the strategy. And actually the indicator, it we got minus 26 pips on the next day, which means I guess it's third. So yeah, on this date we got 121 and even more pips. You can see here, and risk to reward ratio 4.5. See guys, 120 pips. Okay, which means if you are trading with the one lot size, it's a $1,200. $1,200 on the next day. Okay, so and the other next day on 4th November we got 20 pips, and then we have 40 pips, and I counted. Okay, I counted everything and how this strategy works. So let me tell you guys how this strategy works actually. And many of you guys are asking, so I don't want to reveal the secret with this strategy because you will get to know and understand only once you purchase this indicator, and I'm going to explain you everything in this indicator once you purchase. So the only thing is there is a breakout and breakdown, which it will show you when and where to trade. Okay, so this is a light blue. You can see here light blue color, right? So this one is a box where we can identify whether it is breakout, then we will take a buy. Whether it is breakdown, then we will take a sell position. So that's it, and very simple strategy, and I'm going to explain you everything in indicator once you purchase. Okay, so this is how it works, and there is also some trick. Okay, you can actually see there is a breakout, but we will not take this trade. Why? Because that's a strategy. Okay, so yeah, and we made on November 10th, we made 100 pips, which means even more than 100, 1 or 3 pips, which means $1,000. As a beginner trader, if we really want to make this kind of money, it's impossible. So what I thought in my trading beginning, I thought, okay, let's trade with per day 20 pips is enough because I can get $200. So 20 pips per day is enough. So then I find out this strategy, boom, then it's giving me a really good pips. Okay, it's very good strategy as well. So yeah, as you can see 40, and this is GBP JPY with a 15 minutes chart, guys. And I don't want to waste your time, so let's directly go and see the results, how many we could have made. And this, I'm being honest. Okay, I just don't want to make anything so bad. Okay, to be honest, here you can see the profit is 450 pips profit. You can go back to the video and check how many pips you got, and you can count it. So 450 pips profit, 78 pips loss. Totally we got 372 pips per month, and then we got a $3,720 profit. That is on GBP JPY. So let's go to GBP CHF, and I'm just going to show you the results. And one more thing, guys, as I already given you this prediction whether it might go here or down, or it might break out and go up, but actually as predicted it went down. So that's one of the thing. And then again, coming to the pips with the strategy, we can see 110 pips, 40, 40, 20, minus 26, 40 pips profit, minus 5, minus 26, 40 pips, and then calculating overall November month profit, we can see here GBP with the total pips of 390 pips total profit and 57 pips loss. So let's assume we got the total profit of 333 pips, which will give us $3,330 profit. Okay, guys, and let's go to another pair. Yeah, let's go to Euro GBP. Actually, I don't recommend you to trade with this, but as strategy, I already suggested this pair, so that's why I'm counting on it. So whole number we got the pips, you can see here 40 minus 26 minus 26, 80, 80, 20. So these are all pips that I have been calculated with the strategy and indicator only alone. Even if you just follow the indicator, you could have made very good pips. So 240 pips profit for 1 month and 110 pips loss, and then totally we got 170 pips profit. So overall we got $1,700 on this November month. So let's go and check the last pair which I recommended. So this is the profit of the last pair. $460 pips profit minus 52 pips loss, and totally we got a 408 pips, and then we have profit of $4,080 profit. So overall, okay, concluding with all the four pairs, we could have made 1,540 pips in profit, and then you can see here 297 pips in loss. So that's way better, and that's insane. If I trade by my own, I don't think I could have made without this indicator or without this strategy. I'm telling you, I'm lifting up my hands. I'm telling you, I promise you, I wouldn't have made this kind of pips if I just don't follow the strategy and money management or risk management. If I don't follow anything, indicator on all this stuff, then I couldn't have made this kind of pips profit. So for beginners especially, I'm telling you, this one is going to blow your mind and you are going to make the money. Okay, but you need to know some you need to know, if you know about how trading works, then perfect, you guys can trade super. If you don't know even, then you can make this much profit only just following the indicator. I didn't placed anything. So time is running out, that's why I'm not showing everything fully, so that's why I'm covering up overall. So overall we could have made here by the end of this month 1,283 pips profit. So that is insane. That's enough actually for 1 month, and that is more than enough actually, and only trading on Monday, Tuesday, and sometimes Wednesday or Thursday. That's it. No Friday trading with this indicator. Okay. So overall, we can see here $12,830 profit. Insane. Okay. So guys, following the indicator, no analysis or anything, and then just following the strategy, how it works and everything I'll be explaining in a video once you purchase this indicator. So if you really want to make money, and if you don't want to depend upon others, and if you want this indicator, I'm not forcing anyone. If you want to purchase it. Otherwise, no problem. That's okay. Take care. But if you want to see these kind of results, please contact me. Links are in the description. I'm going to give you very good guidance with this. If you have any questions, you can ask me anytime, no problem at all. So yeah, as a beginners, we need to make some money. So this strategy and everything works perfectly. It's very simple. Okay, you just need to uh, it's very simple. I'm telling you, I promise it's very simple. If you want to buy, no problem, buy it. If you don't want to buy, that's it. And please, I'm telling you, please subscribe this channel, like this video, share to your friends. So this is the overall profit of November month, 12,830 $30 profit, and then 1,283 pips in profit. So see you in the next video, and every month, sorry, every week, mostly on Sunday, we will be getting a new video. Okay, see you guys. Bye bye, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Peace out.